How to manage automatically play videos on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage automatically play videos on Xbox Mobile. First thing, go to Xbox and then click here, this one, click on it and then click here, and now click this one, accessibility, and then all you need to do is just click here, automatically play videos, click on it, and as you see, that's how manage automatically play videos on Xbox Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.